Hi, good afternoon. Okay, I'm Engineer Jeffrey F. Largisa. Okay, this is my title. Okay, Development and Acceptability of Salt Concentration in Producing Electricity Using Sea Water. Okay, for the abstract of my research studies, okay, the experimental method, specifically classic experimental, was used as the research method of the study. Okay, through this method, the researchers determined the effectiveness of salt concentration in producing electricity using seawater. Okay, the researchers gathered the data by measuring and recording the voltage, ampere, and the time where the devices work. Okay, the finding shows that device number 1 is the most efficient device in the 3 devices. The electricity produced by refreshing the pure seawater every day varies. The salt concentration effectively increases the electricity produced. However, it only increases the ampere or the electric current. As the salt concentration increases, the electric current increases also. There is a significant difference between the different salt concentrations. Okay, for further assessment and accumulation of future data, the following recommendations are hereby offered. Introductions of electrode combination in further researches. The electrode combination will serve as the major factor to evaluate what metal electrode combination is efficient and has the highest amount of electrical power produced. Building different structural model to know if there is an improvement in the production of electricity. For chapter 1, there are parts for chapter 1. Okay, for chapter 1, the problem on review of related literature. Okay, the first part of chapter 1, the introductions. Okay, this is the introductions of my study. Electricity is needed to operate technologies and machines, including the ones we use every day. Solar power or generators can both be used to generate electricity. And fuel also is needed to run generators, which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. In order to produce electricity through generators, solar energy is another model of generating electricity. The sun's light, what does the actual generation? The sunlight that the panel reflects is transformed into electricity by solar panels. Unquestionably, both of these methods are used to generate electricity. Both of these processes are ineffective if fuels are not currently available, or if the weather is not suitable and the sun does not produce enough sunlight. The researcher proposes to study the use of seawater as a source of electricity as a remedy. Okay, in addition to being the source of power for the majority of our cutting-edge tools, electricity is crucial to daily life. Nuclear power plants have replaced oil-fueled electric generators as the primary means of producing electricity. But all of these methods for producing electricity have the potential to have harmful effects on our environment. The researcher discovered an alternative method of producing electricity by using seawater in order to avoid these potentially harmful effects. Okay, the next chapter for chapter 1 is review of related literature. Okay, this is the review of related literature of my studies. Okay, the first is related readings. According to the related readings, the salt water is versatile and can be used as a home remedy for health problems or as an ingredient in various foods. However, the ability to use salt water as an energy source is its most important feature. We can infer those various experiments are conducted in this situation because salt water is recognized as one of the largest types of water. As you imagine, the water is the largest types of water. We can find the alternative energy like this through water to have a or to produce the electricity using this method or technique. As already mentioned, various techniques have been developed to generate electricity from salt water. Each of the different techniques uses unique processes that benefit from different qualities of salt water. Okay, here is the related literature. Okay, due to the rapid advancement of technology, a number of procedures and guidelines have been developed for the use of salt water as a source of electricity. We called one of these procedures pressure retarded osmosis or PRO. Osmotic energy can be captured and produced using pressure retarded osmosis or PRO. According to Helfer et al. In the year 2014, okay, simply put, in a PRO, a low pressure stream of water is led into a module where a semi-permeable membrane separates it from the pressurized saltier water stream. A saltier stream of water, due to its higher osmotic pressure, passes the less concentrated water through the semi-permeable membrane and increases the flow rate or the flow of rate. Okay, in short, this process uses atomic particles of salt and fresh water. The turbine in this technique or method is connected to a pipe containing an increased pressure flow for power generator or generations. Okay? As a result of salt water, the flow of fresh water will gradually increase. The method of generating electricity is comparable to water generators, often found in dams and waterfalls. However, the PRO process or techniques only works where seawater and fresh water meet. As you recall, there are 4 types of water: the brackish, the fresh water, the seawater. 3 types. Okay, 3 types. Okay, it can be used in other areas due to the concentration of salinity between the 2 bodies of water. However, it is undeniably that it is one of the leading processes in saltwater electric production. In terms of power produced by the given process, in average PRO model, the maximum extractable energy during the reversible mixing of a dilute stream with Salindro solution is substantial, ranging from 0.75